Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to delete a page in Word. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Word and you want to delete a page, whether it is blank page or this page, okay, so how to delete that? First I am going to show you how to delete these type of pages. So how to delete it? First you have to just click here and the starting. As I want to delete this page, so how to delete it? You have to, okay, first what you have to do, you have to just select all the words. Okay, select all the words written typed in this page. Okay, so what you have to do now, backspace. Now you will see that that page has been deleted. Okay, now I will show you how to delete this page. Okay, so here when you click here or here, okay, and backspace, then you will see this page is not deleting. Okay, so how to delete this one? You have to just select, okay, like the select this page and then backspace. Now you will see that this page has been deleted. Okay, now again what you have to do, you have to just select and then backspace. So like this you can delete blank page or any page in Word. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.